Thank you.
Yes, Honorable Odhiambo, what's your point of order?
Thank you for your guidance, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm just standing with a lot of due respect and concern over what you have just said. Mr. Speaker, first I want to thank you for giving us guidance and direction that we can make reference to the bill and to the report. Mr. Speaker, one of the rules of debating in this House is you can go outside those two so long as you make a link with what is in the report and what is in the bill. But when we are being told that I must speak in that narrow sense, Mr. Speaker, we are being gagged.
Order, Honorable Millie.
We are feeling gagged.
Take your seat. Honorable Millie, nobody's being gagged. The rules of debate are very clear. You can make conjecture. You can make reference to matters known to you. But when you are challenged by a colleague, you have a duty to respond and respond relevantly. The Speaker is not here to gag anybody, and nobody will be gagged, including you, Millie. All right? Washira Karani. Yes, Junet, Mohamed.
Mr. Speaker, you have guided very well, Mr. Speaker, and I want to thank you. But, Mr. Speaker, having said that, can we have...
Order, Ruth Odinga. It is out of order to stand between a member on his feet and the chair.
Yes. Yeah, Mr. Speaker, you have guided us very well. But, Mr. Speaker, members must know that we are debating a bill as it is. The report is giving us proposals on what the committee thinks we need to do. But the bill as it is now is not amended. So when somebody talks about 3% on wheelbarrow, 3% on mokokoteni, he is debating in accordance with the way the bill is as this morning. And the bill can only be amended here. The proposals that you did yesterday at the State House can only happen here on this floor. Those were just a press conference. So refer to the bill as it is and refer to the report. So when it is amended in the House is when those things will take effect. Thank you very much.
Order. Otienda Molo.
Thank you.